Okay friends, in this video we're learning how to apply dark theme as standard. So very simple, just open your menu, just swipe up the screen, then go to settings, then select display and touch. You can see here display and touch, open that display and touch. Okay, after that you can see option of dark theme and tap on that text, then you will get this page, and there is two functions like expanded and standard. If you select standard, it will be only apply on the system applications, which means you are not installed by any other sources like Play Store or any APK forms. Okay, so it is only applicable for the default applications. But if you are using expand mode, then the phone automatically convert those applications to dark mode. So it is very useful, but actually sometimes some application does not showing the contents properly, so I'm not recommending this, but you can try this expand mode for experience that. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so I can easily watch understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.